Ayan. Okay, so I was really looking forward to doing this review, no. So I was pretty excited, no, nung nakita ko na dumating na yung box ko from Davao. Again, maraming salamat kay Papi Shaka, no. Maraming salamat, no, for this. Siyempre, binili natin to. And ang review natin for this evening, gusto natin i-compare yung bagong produkto ni Papi Shaka, no, which is the Shaka Packs. So kumuha tayo ng dalawang Shaka Packs and we will pit two Shaka Packs versus a Shaka Boombox, no. So we've got really good cards from the Shaka Boombox and hopefully tingnan natin kung maganda yung laban, no. So two Shaka Packs versus one Shaka Boombox, no. So unahin natin yung Shaka Pack, okay? Right. So this is a very thick Shaka Pack. Yan, so kitang-kita. Sealed po, no? Sinil po ni Papi Shaka. And nandyan si Kobe. Yan, so tingnan natin, no? Kung kaya buksan. Medyo matigas nga daw, no? So buti na lang, I came ready. Madala tayong gunting. Yan, okay? So tingnan natin kung anong makukuha natin dito. Okay. Okay. Open. It looks like a very, very thick card. Or a thick mags, no? So, kasi alam ko dalawang Shaka Pack pretty much equals one Shaka Boombox or a little bit less, no? So, yung hits pa rin dito okay, pero dito rin daw okay rin daw, no. So ito yung nakuha natin. So first Shaka Pack natin. Okay, so may sticker tayo nakuha. Right. Unti natin. Uy, ano yan? Okay, Immaculate. Okay, it's an Immaculate Auto Jonas Valanciunas. Nice. GU ata to, no? Game worn. Okay, ganda ng GU. 1, 2, 3 color GU Jonas Valanciunas. Actually my first auto of Jonas Valanciunas, and it's Immaculate. It's number 4 out of 15. Solid pull. Okay, so let's put that over here first, no. Right. Lagyan natin dito sa gitna. Oops. Yan. Hulog si na Cooper Flag. Ayan, balik natin siya. Right, so yun yung una nating na pull, no, from the Shaka Pack, no. Lagyan mo natin Shaka Boombox dito. Right, looks like a solid number to 15 card, no. So next Shaka Pack natin. Ito. Right, there's the trusty scissors. Medyo makapal ulit, no. So solid value. That's a number to 15 Jonas Valanciunas. Alright, here we go again. Shaka Pack number 2. Tignan natin ang laman. Okay, push natin. Okay, wala. Okay, selyado yun sa baba, no? Okay, here we go. Right. Shaka Boom. New Wave. New Wave. So must be a rookie. Okay, New Wave jerseys. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh yes. Matas Buzeles, baby! Oh my God, what a pull! Yes! Matas Buzeles. Hayop. O, ito yung laman ng dalawang Shaka box natin. Isang patch. A nice 3-color patch of Matas Buzeles. Numbered 299. PC hit. Motherfucking PC hit. And Jonas Valanciunas, numbered to 15. These Shaka packs are solid. Solid, right? And of course, tingnan natin. Siyempre, eto, main event. Shaka boombox, no? Nakita, selyado. May pirma ni Papi. Right? And sabi niya, pag binuksan mo daw ito, makikita na talagang nabuksan, no, na-tamper, no? Yun, no? Inaiwan. Void. Actually, great idea, no? Great idea. Alright. Here's our Shaka Boom mystery box. It's a little heavy. Okay, so tago natin muna yung card. Okay. So again, this is something that we want to try. No, we wanted to do this review. Okay, so place it down first. Right. Oops. Yun, na-cover natin yung isa muna. Okay. Alright. Oops, sorry. Here we go. For the mystery. Ito naman yung sa Shaka boombox. Got really solid cards here, no? Tingnan natin kung ano nakuha natin here. Spurs. Oh, yes. Victor Wembanyama rookie card. Dupe siya, but hey, we take Wemby all day, every day. Wemby. Ako, ano kaya itong next card natin? Right? Ano kaya itong next card natin? Ang last card natin sa Shaka boombox. Right. Tignan natin. Sana solid, please. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of color. It's yellow. Tignan natin. RC. Sino kaya to? Ooh, Derek Lively. And it seems like it's gold. Ooh. Ooh. That's an RPA. Okay. That is numbered to 35. My first Derek Lively auto. Okay. So, tignan ko na lang yung comps, no? So, ito yung nakuha natin sa Shaka boombox. Not sure what the comps are, but check natin. So, nakita natin dyan yung comps. And ito nakuha natin sa Shaka pack. Sino sa tingin yung nanalo? Comment. It's beautiful. Order ulit ako nito. Thank you, Shaka.